machinations of some of our enemies and imperialist maneuvers and the distorted reports of some foreign press, the unity and common destiny we all pledge to promote among ourselves were often questioned and our disagreements grossly exaggerated so as to drive a wedge between us. Our successes, however, far outstrip our shortcomings. Hence, we are here today to celebrate in harmony and project a new image of Africa to the outside world. We have successfully consolidated our national independence. We have launched economic and social programs to improve the lot of our peoples in self-reliance. We have also resolved our disputes and differences by peaceful means and under the aegis of our organization, a feat no other continent has so far managed to achieve.
Organization of African Unity, on behalf of my colleagues, the Assistant Secretaries General and the staff of the General Secretariat, and on my own personal behalf, to extend a warm welcome to the distinguished who have been good enough to demonstrate once again